Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel of Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video.
Hello everybody! It's cooking time again. For today, I will share to you my version of Tortang Dilis with a crunch in your first bite. Pinalutong na Tortang Dilis, murang ulam na nakakabusog. So let's start cooking! So for beginners na gusto magluto ng Tortang Dilis, make sure guys na linisan yung mabuti ang isda, ang dilis. Tanggalin nyo yung laman ng tiyan, and on my part as well, tinatanggal ko yung ulo ng dilis kasi for me not needed, and mas masarap siyang kainin na walang ulo. Yun yung sa version ko. Okay, so since maliliit na isda ang dilis, patient nga lang talaga ang kailangan kung magluluto kayo nito. Ayan, so natapos ko nang linisin guys, and I think 1/4 lang ata ito, konti lang lulutuin natin. Okay guys, so lagyan natin ng pampalasa ang ating dilis. So put some salt, so make sure na wag sobra sa salt kasi maalat pag sobrahan natin, right? And then, if we put salt, maglalagay din tayo ng pepper or paminta. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng mga additional spices or seasoning sa ating torta para mas pinasarap siya, diba? And then of course, since torta, dapat meron tayo gagawin na cornstarch, or kung wala kayong cornstarch, you can put flour. Pero ako sa mga torta ko, mas prefer ko ang cornstarch. After that, let's mix and then fry our dilis. So, semi-fry muna natin para mas crunchy. Okay? So habang priniprito natin ang ating dilis, i-prepare natin ang ating mixture. So put cornstarch. So damihan nyo na din ng cornstarch guys. And then put some pepper. And lagyan nyo na rin siya ng salt para lumasa ang ating mixture. Simple mixture lang naman ito. And as I mentioned, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng iba pang seasoning, pampasarap. Okay. And then, maglalagay din ako ng chop of onions. Kung gusto nyo may onion, just put, and 2 eggs. So, maglagay kayo ng 2 to 3 eggs. So, mix well and all done. Pwede na nating ilagay dito sa mixture natin yung semi-fry natin na dilis. Excited na ba kayong tikman? Ako excited na.
So excited to taste.
Pakadali lang nito guys. And then, let's add our semi-fried dilis. Yung prinito natin kanina dilis. Okay? So, sinabi ko na crunchier on the first bite. Kasi nga, we semi-fry first our dilis bago natin siya i-fry. At sa kagandahan nito, hindi na tayo mag-worry kung luto na ba yung dilis pag tinorta natin. Kasi, alam natin na nagluto na siya bago natin siya i-fry. So, try this style, try this version. Okay, so, ready to fry.
The garbage collector is here.
Ayan, so ang ingay ng aso. So all done guys. Quick and easy recipe, yet so yummy. My version of Tortang Dilis. Ayan, so try it at home. This video is best for beginners. So thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now. Thank you and God bless. Bye.